Yes, people, welcome to a video about PayPal and CashApp, and we compare those two giants in the money space, and we gone over to some pros, some cons, and then we give you a clear conclusion. And this may not be the fancy video you may expect it maybe, but well, we only want to give you the information you need to make a choice between CashApp and PayPal. Well, first we go over to PayPal and then we go to CashApp. And if you want to skip some parts, we added some timestamps for you to skip if you already know some pros or cons or some information. Well, first, pro of PayPal. First, this widely acceptance, and PayPal is widely accepted globally for both online transactions and in many physical stores. Versatility. It offers a range of services including online payments, peer-to-peer transfers and business solutions. International transactions. Supports transactions in multiple currencies, making it suitable for international transactions. Well, the buyer and seller protection. It provides a robust buyer and seller protection policies for online transactions, and that's a very nice pro. Integration with websites, often used for online shopping due its integration with various e-commerce platforms. Well, should PayPal have some cons? Of course, it has cons. First, the fees. Transaction fees can be higher, especially for international transactions and certain business services. The second is hold periods. Holds may be placed on funds, leading to delays in accessing the money. Well, complex fee structure. The fee structure can be complex and users may find it challenging to calculate the exact costs. The fourth is the customer service. Customer service experience can be varied, and some users have reported difficulties in reaching support. Well, some features are PayPal.me, a personalized link for receiving payment, Venmo integration. Venmo is owned by PayPal and is a popular peer-to-peer payment app, and one-touch checkout is also of the company of PayPal and allows users to log in for quicker and easy checkout. Well, nice. Then we go over to CashApp. The pros and the cons of CashApp. User-friendly interface. Known for its simple and intuitive design, making it easy for users to send and receive money. The Cash Card. Users can order a physical debit card or spending their CashApp balance. The third one is direct deposit. Allow users to set up direct deposit for paychecks. Bitcoin support. CashApp enables users to buy and sell Bitcoin. Boosts. Offers discounts or cashback rewards on purchases with the Cash Card through Boosts. The cons. There are some cons. Limited international use. CashApp is primarily focused on the US and its services are limited for international users. Transaction limits. It has certain limits on the amount of money that can be sent or received within a specific time frame. Fees for instant transfers. While standard transfers are free, there are fees for instant transfers. Well, security concerns. Like any financial app, there have been a couple of reports of scams and frauds, so users need to be vigilant. Well, the features. CashApp investing. It allows users to invest in stocks and Bitcoin, for example. Cash Boost offers personalized discounts and select merchants. And Cash for Business, a solution for small businesses to accept payments. Okay, wondering what's the conclusion of those both we compared CashApp and PayPal. Well, the choice between PayPal and CashApp depends on individual preferences and needs. PayPal is a more established and globally recognized platform suitable for a wide range of transactions. On the other hand, CashApp is praised for its simplicity and additional features like Cash Card and Boosts, and a user-friendly interface. Consider your specific requirements and the features that align with your use case to make an informed decision. So guys, this was the information video and the comparison, and rest me to wish you a pleasant day, and I hope you like this video. And well, subscribe to my channel for more comparisons and reviews. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.